Welcome to your free trial of UWorld's MBE QBank. The question bank you're about to use was written by attorneys and law professors who are experts on the subjects tested on the MBE. We have a few tips on how to get the most out of your free trial, so let's get started. You can begin by personalizing your practice. If you select Tutor Mode, you will see detailed explanations after each question you answer. When Tutor Mode is off, you will not see the explanations until after you have completed the entire practice test. Whether you choose Tutor Mode or not, remember, these detailed explanations distinguish UWorld from other test prep companies and are essential to your MBE prep, so give them careful attention. Next, you can choose for your practice to be timed or untimed. You can also choose which questions you would like to use for your practice. You can start with unused or unseen questions. As you complete more questions, you can go back and review the questions that you answered incorrectly or that you marked for review. Additionally, you may select all subjects, or you can select only the subjects that you wish to focus on. If you decide to focus on a subject, you can also select which chapters that you would like to hone in on. Finally, you can define how many questions you would like to include in your practice test. While practicing, you can highlight important details in the question, or if you find a question challenging, flag it so you can easily return to it in a future review. You can also create flashcards to help you remember high-yield concepts. You can view the results of previous tests and detailed performance data to identify your weaker subjects so you know where to focus on improving. When you decide to upgrade to a subscription, you'll gain access to the entire QBank, which includes MBE questions that were written by the NCBE and appeared on past bar exams. This will also give you access to simulated MBE questions and detailed explanations that teach key legal principles and analytical skills tested on the bar exam. If you're ready to upgrade, just click on the Upgrade button on the top of the page and choose your plan. Thanks for giving us a try. We are confident you will find UWorld helpful in your path to mastering the MBE. Happy studying and good luck!